Hello there, health freaks! Surgery isn't the only way to clear blocked arteries. Luckily, nature has provided us with a lot of foods that reverse atherosclerosis. Are you looking for foods that dissolve plaques in your arteries? If your answer to this question is yes, then you need to keep watching this video. Apart from medications, healthy nutrition, and a well-balanced diet are ways you can unclog your arteries naturally. The arteries are the channels for blood carrying oxygen in the body. And when these pathways are clogged by fatty deposits, it increases your risk of developing coronary artery disease and cardiovascular diseases. Today at Silva Guide, we bring to you 6 foods that unclog your arteries. 1. Cinnamon. If you're wondering how cinnamon helps unclog your arteries, the high content of antioxidants in cinnamon prevents the buildup of plaques and prevents the oxidation of blood. Further clinical studies have proven that cinnamon improves cardiovascular health. Now, how to use cinnamon? Sprinkle some in your beverage, or just spice up your favorite dishes with this spice. 2. Green tea. It's one of the drinks that unclog your arteries. It is one of the artery cleansing drinks that inhibit the absorption of cholesterol and LDL. Well, that's not all. Green tea also helps in weight loss and improving cardiovascular health. Studies have shown that drinking a glass of green tea each day plays a significant role in reducing arterial plaques and improving blood lipid levels. Before you resume your daily activities, make yourself a cup of green tea. Your arteries will thank you 1,000,000 times over. 3. Beans. Are you a beans lover? Well, these seeds are loaded with fiber. In fact, it stands out for its heart health benefits. This special property of beans helps people suffering from atherosclerosis in keeping cholesterol levels in check. According to research, eating beans can reduce your level of bad cholesterol and over time reduce the plaques that clog your arteries. Before we continue, start an intentional journey with your health today by clicking the subscribe button and ringing the notification bell to stay updated on our health-related content. 4. Fatty fish. This list will not be complete without mentioning omega-3 rich fatty fish. Sardines, mackerel, and salmon, we are referring to all of them. The omega-3 fats in fatty fish have anti-inflammatory properties. Aside from offering protective effects against vascular inflammation and atherosclerosis, it can as well help in reducing the risk of blood clots and increases the level of good cholesterol, known as HDL. 5. Flax seeds. Flax seeds are packed with fiber and antioxidants. If you really want to unclog your arteries, don't skip flax seeds. Not only are flax seeds rich in plant-based omega-3s, but they also have anti-inflammatory properties. In fact, these seeds are very helpful in improving insulin sensitivity among people suffering from diabetes and obesity. Keep in mind that whole flax seeds are difficult to break down during digestion, so it's advisable you go for ground flax seeds. 6. Avocado. Oh yeah, it's time to make healthy food swaps. When you're making a sandwich or burger, use mashed avocado instead of mayonnaise. If you're cooking with oil, go for avocado oil. Making avocado part of your everyday diet has been found to improve blood cholesterol by decreasing the level of LDL and improving the production of HDL. In case you don't know, HDL cholesterol is responsible for keeping the arteries free from plaques. Which of these arteries cleansing foods is your favorite? Let us know in the comment section. We would love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with your friends.